What's going on, everyone? Mitesh here, and you guys are probably wondering, if you read the title, why am I doing an unboxing of the Pixel 4a when I've already made like 10 videos using the Pixel 4a? Why am I doing an unboxing after I've already been using it for a while? Well, the reason is because I actually have the new Pixel 4a. This right here, this is the Pixel 4a in the limited edition barely blue color that was sent out to me from Google. And I really wanted to just go ahead and do an unboxing of this so you guys can see the main difference between this one and the OG black that I've been using for a while. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, compare the colors, so you guys can just basically see what you get with the barely blue color. Now, as I said, I've already done a ton of other videos about it, so if you guys are interested in knowing more about the Pixel 4a, go check out the links that I'll have down in the description below. But with that, let's just get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Now, just for fun, I also went ahead and got my old Pixel 4a box out just to see the difference here. And you guys can see the main difference here being the color of the Pixel 4a. And every other way, these two boxes are very, very similar. You guys can check out the accent color power buttons here. So here on the black one, you have this like mint colored one. Let's just go ahead and get the actual phone out right there. You guys can see it's like a mint colored power button. I really do like that, but I gotta say I like this one, the orange power button on the blue, maybe just a little bit more. We'll have to see when I take it out. Now, looking at the color on the front, this thing looks like it says, it looks barely blue, but on the sides it seems like there's a little bit more color, so interested in checking that out. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. So as always, Pixel phones do have these nice little pull tabs, so you don't have to get a knife out, you can just pull them. Also, one other thing, I don't know if you guys noticed, the boxes on these are really small. So something that the iPhone had to go ahead and take out a bunch of stuff for, Pixel manages to do without that. Now, there we go. It is, you know, honestly, it is, as they say, it is a barely blue color. Like, this thing is such a light blue. Like, it looks nice, and definitely you can tell that it's a blue phone, but it is, as they say, barely blue. So there's the phone itself. Now we got this nice little plastic wrap. Let's go ahead and take that off. And yeah, let's check out the accent button a little bit more. So right there is the orange accent button along with the blue volume rocker. I gotta say, I really like this color. It's nice. I mean, I'm partial to color phones, and this definitely is a colored phone. And I think it looks pretty good. It reminds me quite a bit of the purple phone, the purple-ish phone version that we got with the Pixel 3a. It looks very similar to that, except I really do like the power button here. It stands out a lot, and it's a good-looking phone. So yeah, there's the phone. Now, of course, inside of here, we'll get all the normal stuff. So we'll have the usual paperwork and stuff, and then inside we've got the power brick, 18-watt power fast charger, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and then a little adapter so you can transfer stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and just take a closer look at this phone. So there you have it. This right here is the barely blue color, and it is, as they say, like a very pastel blue, like a very light pastel blue. I think it looks really nice. Obviously, it's going to depend on what your preferences are. Let's go ahead and get this powered on as well. I don't think that we're going to see anything different in software. Google doesn't tend to do that. But yeah, this is the barely blue Pixel 4a, and I've got that nice camera cutout as well. And yeah, there you go. This thing, I think it looks really nice. I definitely, like I said, like the power button quite a bit. But yeah, overall, if you guys want this color right here, the limited edition, barely blue color, I think it's worth it. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is a quick little unboxing of the barely blue Pixel 4a. Like I said, this is a limited edition, so if you guys are interested in this colorway, and personally I think this colorway looks a lot better than the black, but that's just me. I like colored phones more than I like black ones. But yeah, if you guys want to pick this up, definitely go ahead and go do it, because let's face it, the Pixel 4a is already at the lowest price it's going to be. It did not go on sale for Black Friday, and it's not going to go on sale probably anytime soon. So if you want a Pixel 4a, go pick this up. And I know I haven't done my full review of the Pixel 4a, but let me just say, it's a really good phone. If you need a phone that's reliable, this is a good way to go. And if you don't want to spend that much on it, this is definitely the way to go. But yeah, with that, that's pretty much it for this video. Like this if you liked it, subscribe if you guys loved it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.